Alrighty guys, in today's video we're gonna look how to create a manual sequence for holes within parts. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, like I mentioned in today's video, we're going to be looking at setting up the sequence of holes and how that works. So now this is obviously for the CAM feature, which we're busy with. So this won't work for anything else. It's a feature directly related to CAM, and you can only find it once you're in your CAM feature on the secondary toolbar. So I'm just going to add a part here so we can see. Put a bit off center to the left. Now this will work with any part with multiple holes inside. If you end up one hole, it's not really do much, as this is the sequence of the holes being cut. So now with the part inserted, I'm gonna go here to CAM, open this, and then just right off the bat here we can see, if I zoom in here for you guys, we've got the sequence here. It comes in from the bottom left. It cuts the first hole, cuts the second hole, and then cuts the actual rectangle. So as you can see here, it starts by left, goes to right. Then what we're going to do, if we want to set it up, I'm going to, let's maybe quickly, we don't need to preview it because we can see the little arrows. So I'm going to select this, and then we go here to the actual feature, which is create hole sequence manually. It's here right next to the change cutting direction. So now if I click this, we have this nice little preview box that pops up with a few different settings. Now what we can do, we're going to go here and choose the direction. At the moment it's going from left to right, so I'm going to select from right to left, and then once we've done that, you can see it blacks out the holes in the right sequence and it shows an arrow in the direction that it's going. Now I have found sometimes you will set it and then nothing happens. So what I found, then just reset it to the same, and then it tends to update. So make sure also you look on your little cube here that it has updated. So the moment we can see it goes from left to right. So if I say okay here, we can see it is updated. Now it goes from right to left. So if we hit a quick preview here, we can see it cuts the right hole, then the left hole, then the actual rectangle around that, which is pretty convenient. So let's just exit out of that. Then also what we do have is the clear option. So if I go here to the actual okay, not that. So if I go to the actual program, then we can also clear it if we need to, which can be quite convenient. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual what do you call it, cutting direction. So you can obviously set it back by just going in there and changing it to the other direction, which can be convenient. So if I have another part in here, let's just go to CAM. We can see at the moment it's mirroring. So it's going from right to left, and then the next one is going from left to right. So it is nice that you can set it up for custom shapes. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.